Looking at JP here on the daily, we can see that price is pushed in and pushed up into this big gap that we're touching here at 92.52 up to 93.98. And as price is touching this area here, now is the decision point. Is price going to go higher or not? Now, technically speaking, if we look just to the left here, you can see how price retested this resistance area or the supply zone, okay, over here a few days after it created this level. And that's where we got this nice little drop from this point. Now we find our way back into it, gapping into this zone, mind you. Okay, so price gapped into it, and now we're going to see whether or not this level is really going to hold. And because we have this retest over here, I'm really thinking that this zone has really done its job. It's already done a good job. It's done what we would have hoped it could do, and now all we can hope for is maybe another reaction from it, but if it doesn't, then that's no big deal. You know, we can easily move to the upside on this market without it destroying any type of fractal confluence that we may be looking for. So getting a little reaction from it today here to the downside, but overall price definitely can move to the upside, and we really just have to pay attention to the lower time frames as to where we see price going in respect to this bigger time frame level. As we look at price here on the 4-hour time frame, you can really see that price has just gapped through resistance, and we're pushing up pretty hard. So I think price could easily come back down here, but overall we see a touch on this zone up here, a couple touches on this yellow zone here. So given the gap and how it gapped through this aqua zone here, I think price is going to move to the upside, and we may just be seeing a little retracement, maybe to fill the gap and continue on up to the upside this coming week. Looking at it on a 60-minute time frame, again, this is more support resistance type of time frame. If we're looking at swing trading overall, you see the big gap, price gapping through this blue zone here, and again, I'm thinking that it's going to come back to right around $9.50 or $90.50, and then continue to move to the upside, basically just to fill the gap. Now, is this level going to hold overall? I can't tell you right now, but that's what we're looking at here. Price definitely could break this level and continue to the upside, moving up above our 93, 98 zone up there. But you can kind of see a little bit of the resistance that we have in play coming into this week, and where it is going to be happening at with these different levels that we have plotted here. So overall, I'm thinking that this market can easily bust to the upside, and I'm thinking for right now we're just getting a little retracement back down, but overall, boom, you know, we're going to the north side. Looking at the Bank of America here on the daily time frame, you can see that we've been in a range for the past several months here, going back and forth and back and forth. And today we actually have a breakout of price going to the upside, and you can see that it looks like it's coming back to fill the gap that it put into place there. And it looks like we're going to be seeing a retest of this 25.31 up to 25.80 zone that we have up here from March. And right now we're just seeing the little breakout, pullback, and then continuation to the upside, hopefully this coming week here. Looking down here on the lower time frames, you can see where this gap originated from, which is this zone from 23.82 up to 23.96. Looks like we're going to see a retracement back down into this level, and then a pop all the way up here to the next zone of opposite type. Nice little resistance zone from 24.85 up to 25.03. So we will see if that can't happen here over the next few days. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't be, but after we hit that level, let's just look above us just a little bit. You can see the chocolate zone, and again, the more times the zone gets hit, the deeper the color, the weaker it is. So after we see the retest of the 24.85 up to 25.03, I expect to see price break through this level to the upside.